1953 Chevrolet 310 five-window pickup. The 1953 Chevrolet 3100 five-window pickup stands as a timeless symbol of American craftsmanship, durability, and honest mechanical engineering. In an era when trucks were built not for luxury, but for purpose, this vehicle represented the backbone of American industry, agriculture, and small-town commerce. This particular example elevates that legacy to an extraordinary level through a frame-off, nut-and bolt restoration, a process that goes far beyond cosmetic refurbishment and instead recreates the truck from the ground up with precision, reverence, and uncompromising attention to detail. From the moment this truck appears in view, it communicates authenticity. The classic advanced design body, Chevrolet's revolutionary post-war truck platform, is immediately recognizable. Rounded fenders, a tall upright grille, and flowing body lines reflect the time when function and form were inseparable. The rear five-window cab, with its distinctive rear corner windows, elevates this truck into a higher tier of desirability, offering improved visibility and a cabin aesthetic that is both charming and purposeful. Frame-off, nut and bolt restoration, a true rebirth. A true frame-off restoration means the body was completely separated from the chassis, allowing every structural component to be evaluated, repaired, refinished, or replaced. In a nut and bolt restoration, nothing is overlooked. Every fastener, bracket, and component is either restored to factory correct specification or replaced with period-accurate hardware. This level of work transforms the vehicle into something that often exceeds original factory condition. The frame itself is meticulously cleaned, straightened, and refinished, ensuring long-term structural integrity. Suspension mounting points, cross members, and chassis components are restored with precision, resulting in a foundation that is as strong as it is visually impressive. Even areas rarely seen, the underside of the cab, inner fender wells, and bed supports are finished with the same care as exterior panels. Exterior industrial beauty refined. The exterior of this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 is a study in restraint and authenticity. The paint finish is deep and even, showcasing the truck's classic curves without excessive gloss or artificial exaggeration. Panel gaps are straight and consistent, doors close with reassuring solidity, and every line aligns exactly as Chevrolet intended over 70 years ago. Chrome and stainless trim elements, including the grille bars, bumpers, hood ornament, and badging, are restored to a brilliant finish, reflecting light with clarity and precision. The iconic Chevrolet body proudly sits front and center, a reminder of the brand's dominance in post-war America. The five-window cab adds character and visual depth. The rear corner windows create a panoramic effect inside the cabin and give the truck a unique silhouette from the outside. A feature highly sought after by collectors due to its limited production. The pickup bed is equally impressive. Wooden bed planks are finished with care, often using high-quality hardwood sealed and fastened with polished metal strips. This detail reinforces the truck's working class roots while presenting it as a show-quality example of restoration, craftsmanship. Engine, the legendary GM 235Ci Inline 6. Under the hood resides the heart of this classic workhorse, the GM 235 cubic inch Inline 6 engine, one of the most respected and durable power plants ever produced by Chevrolet. Introduced as a significant upgrade over earlier stove-bolt engines, the 235Ci Inline 6 became famous for its smooth operation, reliability, and ability to endure decades of service. This engine has been carefully restored to factory specification, ensuring it retains its original character while operating with renewed strength. The Inline 6 configuration provides a smooth, balanced feel, delivering torque in a predictable and usable manner. While not designed for speed, the 235 excels in drivability, pulling steadily from low RPMs and cruising comfortably without strain. The engine bay itself is a showcase of period-correct restoration, factory-style finish. Correct hoses, clamps, wiring, and decals give the impression of stepping back into a Chevrolet dealership showroom in 1953. Attention to detail here is crucial, and this truck delivers with accuracy and pride. Transmission 4-speed manual engagement. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission, reinforcing the mechanical purity of this classic pickup. Shifting through the gears is a tactile, engaging experience, one that connects the driver directly to the machine. Each gear change is deliberate, mechanical, and satisfying, reminding us of a time when driving required skill, awareness, and intention. The manual gearbox pairs perfectly with the Inline 6 engine, allowing the driver to make full use of the engine's torque characteristics. Whether pulling away from a stop or cruising down a country road, the drivetrain feels honest and robust. Suspension, steering, and braking, authentic control. The suspension system has been restored to factory design, ensuring the truck retains its original ride characteristics while benefiting from fresh bushings, springs, and hardware. The result is a ride that feels solid and composed, absorbing road imperfections with the kind of compliance expected from a mid-century work truck. Steering is direct and mechanical, providing a genuine connection to the road. There is no artificial assistance here. Every input is felt, making the driving experience immersive and authentic. Braking components are restored to proper operating condition, delivering predictable and reliable stopping power consistent with the era. While not modern in design, the system performs as intended, reinforcing the truck's historical accuracy.